happening
at Woodlands. I'm Kayla.
I'm Molly.
And I'm Maya.
This Friday, we will have a Hispanic Heritage Month Assembly, 2nd and 3rd period, and 7th and 8th period in the auditorium. Also, intern reports go out this Friday, so make sure you have all your grades in check.
Next week begins Spirit Week, so we don't have school Monday. Tuesday we have Pajama Day. Wednesday we have Twin Day. Thursday we have Throwback Thursday. Friday is Pep Rally. Remember your colors.
The homecoming game is Saturday, October 18th at 1 p.m. against Bronxville. Later that day, we'll be having our homecoming dance. Tickets are $5 in advance and $8 at the door. Wednesday, October 16th, the juniors and sophomores will be having their PSAT, and later that day, we'll be also having the blood drive.
On October 21st, WISE interviews will begin for seniors, so make sure you're prepared for that.
On October 22nd, Red Ribbon Week will begin.
October 23rd, we get out early due to PLC Day.
On the 25th of October, which is the Friday, there will be a Red Ribbon Week assembly. On Saturday, the 26th, the ACT will be taking place for all seniors and juniors if you're taking the ACT.
Don't forget, Halloween's October 31st. Let's get spooky!
Boo! This concludes our segment of What's Happening in
Woodlands!